Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite. Firstly, I will show you all gestures what set by default, and then I will show you how to customize them. So, the touch area is located at the back side of each earbud. Right here at the top we have it. If you press 2 times at your left or right earbud, by default you will play or pause the song. 1, 2, 1, 2. And as you can see, I just play and pause. If you press 3 times at your left or right earbud, you will play next track. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Next one, we have press and hold, and if you press and hold at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. So press and hold, and now look at this widget. I just increased the volume. To lower the volume, you need to press and hold at your left earbud. So let's do this. Press and hold. And as you can see at this widget, I just lowered the volume. Okay, and by default that's all. Now, how to customize it? You need to open REALME Link application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and you need to go to the button settings. Right here we have it. So, you can set for the press and hold for left and right earbuds, you can set game mode. This one is the only one option. Let's check it. So, I press and hold at the both. And I just enable it, press and hold again. And I disable it. Also, we can set, let's say, on the double press to call voice assistant. Let's check it. And as you can see, it worked. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.